G'day guys, Donny's Hot Tip here, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, today we're turning this bar into liquid soap. Now it's quite simple and easy. First step is you've got to grate it up. So you just get your grater and you just slowly grate up the soap like so. This could take a little while, but we'll just go through it pretty quickly on the grater. Now you probably could use a NutriBullet or like a blender. We'd probably blend up a little bit faster, but I thought this would be easy enough. So you just blend your soap up like so, just like you're grating up a block of cheese, and you just keep going along. Now, don't worry if you make a little bit of a mess, because that will just clean up really nicely. Okay, so you've done half your bar. Look at that. That's beautiful, isn't it? And once you've done that, you grab it and you just put that in your bowl like so. Okay? And you just get the last little bit and scoop that up. Look how beautiful that looks and white. It's lovely. It's just like snow. Okay, now we'll just blend up to grate up the last little bit of it. Like so. But as I said, at home, you could use whatever you want, as long as you get it to a reasonable size, because you don't want to have the next step, have it into big chunks. I think that's just ridiculous. Okay, now just to save a little bit of time for this video, I'll just leave the last grating bit at the end. I won't worry about this last little bit, but at home, you've got a lot more time, and you just take your time, be nice and steady, and there we have it. So you just grab that, okay, put that in your bowl, over here, and just there. So once you got to that stage, okay, what you need to do is add some water. So I would fill it just so it's just above the thing. So if I just come over here, I'll just quickly fill that with water. Alright. So you just want to sort of just cover the top there. We can always add a little bit more water in later or whatever. So, okay. And you come over to your microwave. I'd say you want that for about a minute. But each microwave is different. So yeah, you just put your microwave bowl blade thing in. I don't know why mine was out, but I think I just gave it a quick clean. There we go. And you want to put that in for about a minute. Now while that's going, I'll just finish grating up the last of this, so while we wait for that to go. It's probably going to need a little bit more than a minute, but we'll just see how it goes as it's ticking away. Hope you guys are staying safe. Please stay home, do your part. Yeah, gee, that's getting quite hard. It must be a bit of a hard lump in the middle of these soap bars or something. Oh, 3 already. Yeah, we'll just check on that. Oh, it doesn't look quite ready just yet. See? Probably needs just a little bit more time. As you can see, it's still got the little bitties in there. We want that to all dissolve, so we'll go a little bit longer. Probably another minute. See? So you put that on again. Oh, my hands are all yucky and nice and soapy. Oh well, at least they'll be clean. So we've got the last little bit here, and we'll just blend that in like so. Just grate him up. Oh, hands are getting a little bit slimy now. I shouldn't have gone to touch that little stuff in there, but we just keep grating that up. There, like so. It's got about another 30 seconds to go. I'll just get a little thingy out so we can stir her up. Probably just need like a little spoon or something. We'll just get out. Oh, this one will probably do. Yeah. And then that should nearly be ready. Alright, now we'll just get that out. Just get that out. There we go. As you can tell, it's just about nearly dissolved. You can see that, it's almost there. So you just give that a good stir up, like so. Now I reckon we probably need just a few little bits here and there. That's pretty much right. So once you get to that step, alright, you come over here and you get your little container and you just got to pour that in. You pour that into your little soap spoon. So we'll just put a little bit of a plate down just in case we make a mess, but we probably won't. You know, you just better be safe than sorry. We just pour that in there like so. Just quickly pour that in. There we go, like so. As you can tell, it's not quite full, but we've still got some more soap over here, so we'll just do that step again. So once that's in there like so, all you want to do, give it a quick shake up, like so. And there you go, guys. You've turned your soap bar into liquid, and you can just come over here, pump that into your hand like so, rub it in, and there we go. Alright guys, that was Donnie's hot tip. Hope you guys enjoy. Please stay home, please stay safe, and Donnie will see you on the next one. Alright, bye.